Hello, and welcome back to my channel, unless this is your first time here, in which case welcome for the first time. Also, if you're wondering why I'm dressed like an alpaca slash llama, it's because I was taking some pictures for Instagram that are definitely up by now, and I figured that while I was sitting on the floor of my living room, I might as well film a video about all my pop figures that I currently have so far. Yay! This is them. So instead of like a life update video, it's just an update about how bad at financial responsibility I am. I tried organizing them kind of by series, but there were a lot and it was kind of hard, so I kind of failed a little bit. So I figured we'll just start from the bottom. No, we should start from the top, because if I start from the bottom and I pull one out, the whole thing will fall over. So we're gonna start from the top. Smart. Also, it's really hot in this onesie. I didn't turn on the air conditioner, so I'm gonna have to do this pretty fast before I sweat and die. So the first one up here, I'm gonna take them down as I go. So I guess we're starting with Avatar: The Last Airbender ones. It's kind of funny, I actually only recently really started collecting pop figures, and that's because I said I wasn't really gonna start collecting them until they started making Avatar: The Last Airbender ones and Full Metal Alchemist ones, and then they made both like at once. And I was like, well, there goes my money. So I did collect some of them before. There were like some that I obviously needed or really wanted. And there are two that aren't here as well, which is a Harry Potter one and the Mikasa one from Attack on Titan, and that's because they're my two first ones, like the two I started collecting with, and they're home in Maryland. Because I lived there when I got them. So this is all the ones that are here in California. But yeah, I decided I was gonna wait until they made Avatar ones and Full Metal Alchemist ones, because those were like my two favorite cartoon series ever. And then finally they made them. And I haven't gotten all of them yet. I've got most of them, I think-ish. My collection's coming along, but I'm still missing a couple of them. So I'm still on the lookout. I tend to buy them at cons more because they're, you know, not really easy to find, you know, at the stores. Sometimes I can find them, but hopefully I'll have a complete collection of both of those soon. And then I've got some other series as well that I've been collecting. So again, the first one, can't speak. So again, the first one is Katara from Avatar: The Last Airbender. And I think I got this one at a con. I just kind of like go through a bunch of them and just talk about my favorites of those. So Katara, I got Toph, obviously I cosplay Toph, so had to have her. I try and get a lot of the characters that I cosplay as well. That's one of the like type that I like to collect, because if I cosplay a character, obviously I like that character, so then I want to get them as a pop figure. So Toph, Iroh, who is amazing. You can't really see this Iroh one. I love Iroh. I'm still missing a lot of the Fire Nation ones too, like I don't have any Azula yet. Let's go back, please. And I have two Aang ones. I have this Aang, which is the Hot Topic one, but his eyes don't glow. I wasn't able to get the one where his eyes glow. If I see it at a con, I'll probably still get it, but this one, he's on his air scooter, but his eyes do not glow. I did get this one at Hot Topic, so I was lucky that I was able to find it there. And I'm just gonna put it here because I'm not gonna be able to put that back. And then Zuko. And this is just the regular Zuko. There's a variant of Zuko too, where he has like a fire spear, and I don't have that one. I did find that one at a con, but then I was trying to decide between a bunch of different pop figures because I'm on a budget, you know? So I wound up going with this one because he was the more standard one, so he's a lot less expensive, and that way at least I have a Zuko in my collection, because you can't just not have Zuko, you know? And then the last of the Avatar ones are over here. So I have Sokka, and then I have the Aang that has Momo with him. So I can move this around and get him. This was not planned out. But yeah, so I've got Aang with Momo. I wish they had a just Momo one, because I would want that so bad, because Momo is amazing. I do have Appa. Oh, look, he's not even with the rest of them. I'm just gonna move all these. So my pile is just gonna get crazier and smaller as we go, I guess. But here's Appa, and he's sideways. So I just need a Momo one now, like I wish they made just one that had just Momo, because I would love that so much. People at Funko, if you're listening, Momo Pop, please. I'll just take these down too, just so all of them are together with their families. They're probably gonna fall over. If nothing falls over during the course of this video, it'll just be a miracle. What's next? Let's go to the top. This is the only Attack on Titan one I have here, which is Krista. Wish it said Historia, but like whatever. And as I said, I do have the Mikasa one, but that one is back home in Maryland. And this is from like their second wave of Attack on Titan ones. So they had like the first ones with some of the more main characters, and then they had this one with some of the more secondary characters. So it has like Krista, Ymir, Erwin, Kenny, and Hange. Heard it both ways. But Krista was the only one who I really wanted from this collection, again, because I cosplay her. So, made sense. Okay, I guess we're doing How to Train Your Dragon next. So Toothless, of course, How to Train Your Dragon. I just love Toothless, so had to have him. And then I also got, what else do I have? I don't have, do I have Light Fury? Oh, I do have Light Fury. So I do have the Light Fury. Go with Toothless. So they could be together and family. And then I do have 2 out of 3 of their babies. I'm still missing one of the Night Lights. So I've got this one, which is the kind of white one with the green eyes, and then this one is like the blacker one, and he has blue eyes, and I'm missing the kind of blacker one that has green eyes. So I'm on the lookout for that one. Hopefully I can find that at a con, and then my collection of all of the How to Train Your Dragon ones will be complete, unless they decide to make more of them. I do have to say I was really annoyed actually when Funko announced these ones, because the How to Train Your Dragon 3 movie hadn't come out yet, and they posted these, and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, that's such a major spoiler that they're gonna have these babies. Why would you do that? So I was really annoyed with that. Like, I was honestly, I think it like ruined my day when I saw that. I was so annoyed. And Build-A-Bear has the plushie ones, and they didn't spoil it. They waited till the movie came out before they released those babies. See, I knew I'd drop one. Sorry, Nightlights. But yeah, they waited, and Funko couldn't wait, and I was really annoyed, but I still bought them anyway, because they're adorable. And I have no shame. I have a little bit of shame. I usually keep my Disney and Star Wars ones together, because I actually only have one Disney one, surprisingly, which is Stitch, and this Stitch is sparkly. This is the only Stitch one I have. They actually have like a ton of different Stitch ones with him, like they have Valentine's Day ones and him in different like outfits and all sorts of things. But this is the only Stitch one I have, the sparkly one. I don't really feel like I need to collect all the Stitch ones. As long as Stitch is like represented in my collection, I'm happy. And I think that if I'm just gonna have one Stitch, having one that is covered in glitter is a good choice as the one to have. So I do like this one. And then Star Wars. All my Star Wars ones are Porg related, of course. So I've got Chewie with the Porg, and he's a bobblehead. His head bobbles. It's got a little Porg there. And then I have the 2 Porgs that they had. They're just Porgs. And they're very similar. There's some different poses. I probably didn't need both of them, but I bought both of them anyway. So here they are, and I think they have like a big Porg. So I might need to look into how I can obtain that. I think they have a big Toothless too. I mean, I know they have a big Toothless too, but I didn't even try and get that one. I knew that that would just sell out immediately and would be impossible, and I still haven't like seen it at a con or anything either. I think that that's gonna be one that I'm really gonna have to search for actively, and also that I'm gonna have to save up for, because I have a feeling that one is gonna cost some real money. Move on to, okay, now there's a big pile of pops here, and I can't like move to the other side. As I said, I did not think this out very well. Okay, let me just, okay, that's better. So we've got Harry Potter ones next. As I said, I do have actual Harry Potter back home in Maryland. And then the rest of them that I have are here. The only character that I have is Ginny. And that's because I tend to not to like to collect the characters as much, like the people, as much as the animals. I really prefer the animal ones. But I do have Ginny because it was buy two, get one free. And there were two I really wanted at the store that I was at. I think it was box lunch gifts, and I was there and they were doing buy two, get one free. And there were two animal ones that I really, really wanted. But I was like, I can't just not get a free one. So with Ginny. But I like Ginny. I know a lot of people don't like her, but I like her, so that one. And then I got Sirius as the dog, which I thought was hilarious that they made. Sorry about like the light. But here we go, Sirius Black. But as Snuffles, they should have written Snuffles, honestly, or like Padfoot. Why didn't they think of that? That's why they need me, right? Funko people, if you're listening, Padfoot or Snuffles or something. You're blowing his secret cover. And then Pickett from Fantastic Beasts. And Pickett's adorable. Oh, I have some like keychains and stuff too that I'm not including in this, like some of the little ones. Those ones I actually take out of the box because they're cute and I like displaying them. I mean, these ones are cute too, but I like them in the box. But yeah, I have some little ones. So I have like a little Pickett and I have some little Nifflers and stuff that are out of their boxes and that are on a different shelf being displayed with a bunch of like little toys that I have. So the next one is the baby Nifflers. And this one is the box lunch exclusive one, so it's a gray Niffler and like a dark gray Niffler, I guess. Whereas the ones that aren't box lunch exclusive have like a brown Niffler, so I do have to get that one too just so I can have all three of them, like all three different colored Nifflers. But I have the two baby ones here. And then I have the giant Niffler, which I got at Target, and I was so excited when I found this. So this can be like their mom or dad or whatever, and then here is the babies. So they're kind of actual size-ish. I don't know. I'll just leave that there. Nifflers! I should do a Niffler cosplay. That'd be really cute. Like, kind of like having my Stitch dress or like my Porg. I'd have like a Niffler. I'm gonna think about that. I'm like about to knock these over. But the last series I have is Full Metal Alchemist, which was another one of the ones that I said I was gonna like, I was really like waiting for them to come out with. So finally they did, and I'm still missing a couple. I think I'm missing one. Yeah, I think I'm only missing one from this, which is Armstrong, and he's a GameStop exclusive, and I like don't go into GameStop, so I haven't been able to get him, but if I find him at a con, I'll be really excited, and then I'll have the complete collection of these, unless they come out with more, in which case I'll have to start all over again. But I've got Mustang, and see, I've got Alphonse, and then I've also got Alphonse with the cats, which was the hardest one in my collection to find. But I really wanted him. And so finally I got him, and he's got the kitties, and they're so cute. This is like, I think, no offense to my pops if they're listening, but I think this one's my favorite. Look how cute. Then I have regular Alphonse too. He looks much more menacing. And then I've got Winry, which is another one that I cosplay. So obviously I had to have her, plus also like Winry's great and I need to complete the collection. So I've got Winry. And then the last one here is Edward Elric, because like, complete the collection and you gotta have the main character. So that is all my pops. So it's not like the biggest collection ever. I see some of the ones online and I'm like, oh my god, like how? And it's still growing, and I'm still looking for a lot of them, and I'm sure that they will come out with many more that I need and that I will get. But for now, this is my collection. They all live here in my living room on the shelves, and hopefully I can collect some more soon. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite pop is, either of my pops or just like your favorite that you own, or like the hardest one that you searched for or whatever. Yeah, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and follow me on all my other social medias, which are linked below, and which are like Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, that's about it. In the future, I'm about to post a bunch of kind of older videos and vlogs that I made and then never posted for one reason or another. So get ready for that. I'm pretty excited. I think that they're really cute and fun, and after I post them, I can finally move on with my life and and work on a bunch of new stuff, which I'm hoping to do, because if you guys are on my channel a lot, you know that I'm not super good about posting. I used to be. No, I'm not. So I need to get back into it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!